How to apply for a job on Seek Jobs. Hi guys and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to search for a job and apply for it on seekjobs.com or seek.com. Here is the site itself. You can see here there are a lot of companies that are working with Seek. Now let's get to sign in, or I will just register in my case. A little disclaimer, guys, these passwords and email addresses are created for the sake of this video. They are not personal emails or addresses. Here I am going to make a registration with Google. It is detecting that it is a new account. Now I have registered my account. You can see the platform right here in a second. Okay, almost done. Here you have to fill the gaps with your first name, last name, job title, and we are going to do this right now. Here are my preset informations. Job title, we will check for software engineer as an example. Here I will put a date of start, a standard one, a home. Here preferred classification. Let's save and continue. We can't right here. Limited hidden standard. We can just make it like this. It is to be found by employers, of course. It is a simple step, so maybe you can get hired or contacted by a employer that is interested, or they are interested on your resume or something like this. Let's make a location New York. No, it is not. This is a random address. Here also a random classification. Okay, save and continue. Nice one. Here we have to continue. I have set my profile. Now let's go to searching for a job. This is how you can search for your job that you are seeking for. Software engineer. Let's make these cases empty and then seek graduate, senior, software engineer on Marshall Pacific, junior, mid, graduate, senior, junior, graduate, software engineer. Here is a lot of offers that you can post or make your offer to them, and if they are interested they will reach out. As you can see, these are known companies on Australia. This site is very helpful, and as you can see, it posts some recent job offers, like here, posted 8 hours ago. It shows you the location, the job offer or the job title, the time, is it part-time or full-time, the salary. Here is in this offer the salary is mentioned. Maybe in some offers you will not get a mentioned salary, but it's okay. You can contact the employer if they are interested and negotiate your salary. Here is the employer question. Your application will include the following questions. Here, as you can see, it is only one question that you will answer when you apply. I click here on quick apply, or I can save it for later. Now I have here, I put my personal details. I will put, of course, a resume. You can upload, select, or if you want, you don't want to include, of course, the cover letter too, the same thing. Here, for the phone number, you have to confirm your phone number. Here I have put a phone number. Now for the employer question, you have multiple answers, of course. Here, which the following statement best describes you right to work in Australia? I'm an Australian citizen. Here, career history, uh, software engineer. You can add another role. You can add your education right here, license and certification, skills. It is a very vital step to put some skills to action, okay? These employers search for skilled persons. They are not searching for a standard resume or a wowing cover letter. The uh, skills are crucial here. Now I have added 3 skills. I press to continue. You can edit whatever you want. I can here submit my application. I have remembered a point, guys. If you want a cover letter, here you can write a cover letter, a small one, or a standard cover letter using ChatGPT. It is very crucial to use it because this is the age of AI, so you can just go to ChatGPT, then you put some instruction, a clear instruction. Here I have wrote the wrong, you can say the wrong instruction. Introduction, briefly explain why I am are suitable. Okay, I will write another one. Software engineer, uh, cover letter. That's right. Here ChatGPT is going to make an example for me and let me fill the gaps. Here, watch the magic happens. Wonderful. This is wonderful. Look, guys, a cover letter in less than 10 seconds. You can modify it as much as you want. Uh, I think that's it for today's video, guys. I want to thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys soon. Peace.